Toyota Corolla 2025 continues to be an excellent choice for those seeking a balanced car that combines safety, technology, and comfort with high fuel efficiency. Pros and cons of Toyota Corolla 2025. What's new? No major changes expected for 2025. A new model might make its debut for 2026, though part of the 12th Corolla generation introduced for 2020. Pros of Toyota Corolla 2025. A modern and elegant exterior design that reflects technological advancement with sporty touches, a larger infotainment screen with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, an improved gasoline and hybrid engine for noticeably better fuel consumption, advanced safety systems including automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, comfortable seats with higher quality materials. Cons of Toyota Corolla 2025. Performance may be modest compared to some competitors in the segment, especially with the base engines. Despite improvements, sound insulation may be insufficient at high speeds. Higher trims may be priced higher compared to competitors. The trunk space may not be the largest in the segment. Despite enhancements, some users still prefer a traditional transmission over the CVT.
carsaleprices.org